Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notifications in the TripIt application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then at the notifications section, click on the push notifications button. And as you can see, there are 4 types of notifications that you can set for this. So just click on the white circle next to those that you want to enable. And once they turn blue, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.